Did you know burps are bad? Did you know that methane is a gas that's bad for the air we breathe? When a cow burps, it releases methane into the air. About 30% of global warming is caused by methane, and about a third of that methane was from cows burping. So, everyone, if we eat less beef, we'll have less cows. If we have less cows, we'll have less burps. If we have less burps, we'll have less methane. Friends, help reduce cow burps.